Hello, today in this video we're going to get into digital outs and primarily how to use them to control pistons. So we're starting with, we're just going to use the digital out wings that we created in a previous video for this demonstration. So the digital out class is very simple. It is simply, all you can do with it, there's only one function. It's just wings.set. And you just do true or false. Depending on how you've tubed your pistons, it will either extend the piston or retract it, but what you're doing is you're telling the solenoid to toggle what state it's in, effectively. So if it's in the false state, you're going to swap it to the true state, or well, you might tell it to go to the false state again if it's already there, but you're telling it what state to be in. So depending on how you've tubed it, which can affect your results in terms of how this works for pistons in solenoids. But if you're one of the students who goes to school with me, you can always ask me for help on tubing and I can help you through that and how to properly do that. But that's the only function you can do. And quite simply, since it's an on or off, there's really only two ways to control it. You can have your two button toggle or just a one button toggle, like I will quickly demo here. So it's just going to be another callback function. So it's just going to be, we're going to create this. We need a Boolean wings extended. Set that to false to start. And then it's just going to be, once again, a void function, making sure to match the name, wings toggle. And then it's just going to be wings extended equals not wings extended, and then it'll be if wings extended. Once again, just if it's true, it'll do this. If it's false, it won't. It'll just be wings.set true or false if that's the scenario that puts them out. And then it'll just be else if wings extended, wings not set false. It's very simple. That's all you need to do. And you can do the same thing as the two button for the motor, but instead of motor.spin and motor.stop, it'll be wings.set true and wings.set false. It's very simple, very easy to do. And as I will show you now, this will run without any build errors. There you go. See, build finishes, which means there's no errors in this code. And at least from a syntax standpoint, it is correct. But this will also work for controlling them, so long as you select the right button and your solenoid is on the port that you specify. That's all for today, and thank you.